welcome back to another video. TNT Flamer here. Today I'm playing Cluster Truck again. Okay, let's start with, last time we did level 1, every level 1, now we're on level 2. So, don't worry, we got this. Oh yeah, do you see that? Oh yeah. Boom, bam. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Jump. Over. No. Oh man, I missed that. Oh, bruh. Oh, okay. Ooh, we got this though. Whoa. Ugh. Okay. Okay, to try and stay on this truck. This is a god truck, I can tell. Oh no. No! I was so close. Oh, dang it. Okay, okay, today we gotta beat the whole forest biome. Okay. Go here. No! I need more air time. No. Bada. Doom. Okay. I know this is a strat. Okay, yeah. It is a strat. It is. It's a strat. Okay. No. No! I messed up, bro. No, I failed that again. I keep on failing the strat. Oh, bro, I didn't even touch it. Okay, we got this. How again? I thought you could jump over those. Guess not. Guess bada boom. Oh my god. That car turned around me. Like, what are the chances? What are the chances? What are the chances, my gamers? My gamers, what are the chances? Throw car down. Nice. We got this. We're goated. I think this car could be it. No! Bam. Ba. Oh. Bada ba ba. Pow. Boom. Bam. Bada ba ba. Boom bam. Bada ba ba. Pow. Ba ba. Bada ba ba. Okay, see. Here's what you don't know. My head barely skimmed that. Oh my god, no. I heard this is the goated side. We are the goated side. I hear what that's what the side is saying. Okay, I got 8 airtime to be exact. Oh my god, ooh, let's go. Yeah, we got 8 airtime. That's plenty of airtime in my book. Oh, yes, maybe, please. Oh my god. If I fail this, oh yes, sir, we completed the first one. 2.2, easy. Oh my god. Ugh. Do you see that airtime though? Oh man, this one's pretty tricky. Because you gotta get there before the end of those, but then the beginning of these, that's pretty tricky. Okay, no, oh, I missed the jump fence. My god. Can we even beat the fourth? We just beat 1 level, and it's taken us like 4 minutes. Ugh, I don't think so. But we got this, though. We got this. We are gaming. No! Oh my god. Okay. Ooh, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment to give me the boost. Oh no. I feel it. I'm being sabotaged. Ooh. Please, no! This game is so stupid. I'm just kidding. The game is fun. fun and games. Please don't sue me, cause I'm just kidding. They're not gonna sue me. Cause we're built. We skimmed the truck. I was like, yeah, he's gonna lose his balance and then fall off the truck. Let's just add some real life physics to this, so randomly, because we know jumping from truck to truck like this is obviously impossible. But let's just randomly add physics, and then it'll be making more sense. No, why me? Oh yeah, do you see that? Clutch for gaming. But how did that happen? See, this is what I'm saying. They just randomly add physics, and they're like, this is supposed to make sense. This is supposed to make sense. Yes, let's just add physics on this jump, but not on this jump. Oh yes, let them have a double jump. Like that's possible, but gravity and falling, oh yeah, that's completely possible in real life. Oh no. See, I'm telling you, they're throwing. Oh man. If you want a part 2 of us trying to beat the 4th level, leave a like. Because for some reason, when you stand on a car, you can't stand on it like this. See? Look, this is how you normally stand on a car. Oh, yes. No! Oh, yeah, you see that airtime? Oh, man, no. So I found out that I was going too far up. Yeah, I never thought you'd help me say that. Oh my god. Let's go. You can hear my controller clicking. That's because I'm goated like that. 2 centimeters off. Yes, we're goated. We're the goat. Please make it. Please. No! Oh my god. This game is literally impossible. Okay, yes. Where's the goats? Bada. Okay, this much easier. Non-Giga chat. I already see the end. The non-Giga chat level. Here it is. Boom. Oh! You see that? Comeback time. We can still make this. Oh yeah. Yes. We can still make it. Oh yes! Let's go. We're beating Forest still. We're still gonna beat it. That's what kind of goats we are. We're that kind of goat. The goat that... There's no more cars. How is that possible? Okay. No worries. We can still beat this. Here. Okay, I think that one might have been broken because there was just no cars. Boom. This one makes it. No! Oh, yes, sir. Let's go, we got this. Oh my god, I'm goated. I'm literally the goat. Oh, literally the goat. Oh, I feel it in my bones. I'm turning into Gramps. Mamps. We gotta beat this. Oh yes, we're goated. Let's go. Another one. Bites the dust. Yep. Nice. Oh, yes. No, I didn't know you had to jump over that. No, I didn't think so. Oh. We got this, though. Jump. Whoa. Oh, man. See, that's the trick. You're not supposed to jump that one. It's a trick. What? I can't jump? Double jumping is not allowed anymore? Ah, I see. You gotta get to the front. Aha! Jump. No, how did I not make that? I am now losing my accent and turning into an Indian now. Okay, we got this though. Wow. How did I even land on it? I was like flying, jump, I'm like hanging on it from the ceiling. Okay. Okay, we got this though, Okay, nice. Woo! Okay. Here. Oh, yes sir, we got these all day. We can still beat it with our last remaining strength. Okay, we got this. Oh man, you gotta go under. I think that's an under one. Oh man, no, I didn't know that. Okay, well, if you want a part 2, like and subscribe, and I might do a part 2 beating the forest level. And yeah, like, subscribe. If you like it, like for more. Bye, subscribe.